Basically, TBC coin is, you can say, a stable currency, and right now the worth of 1 TBC is around $1,000. Today I'm not going to share and I'm not going to say about this that TBC is such a great thing, how basically TBC will work. I'm not going to share these type of things because these all things I basically told in my last video. Today what I am going to share with you regarding TBC coin is entirely different thing, which I am going to basically notify with every person and every basically the viewer who is going to watch my video at this time. I am going to tell you that how basically TBC will work. Right now I will show you some main theme of this the whole project, and today's basically our main mission is to tell the users how basically TBC will grow. Right now, the thing is this: in 1996, e-gold was the first widely used internet money introduced in 1996. And here you can see another known digital currency service was Liberty Reserve, founded in 2006. It let user convert dollars or euros to Liberty Reserve dollars or users. Oh, I'm sorry, the euros. Okay. Right now what the thing is basically behind the TBC coin, so many people basically feature this thing that the 1 TBC coin is equal to $1. Okay, okay, some people said no, the 1 TBC is equal to, for example, $1,000. But in fact the hidden story is basically revealed right now. Before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video, and also do follow me on all the social media. Right now the inside story which basically I'm going to reveal with you regarding the TBC coin is basically the TBC at this time, you can say, on the behind of 1 TBC there is about 4 carat, basically the main gold, the 4 carat gold is over there. 1 TBC is equal to 4 carat gold. Whenever the gold price was okay, for example, the gold price at this time, for example, it is around you can say $500 the per carat, then definitely it means that whenever basically the gold price will increase, then definitely the TBC coin price will increase. So here basically I will basically show you that one with the main theme, and even I basically talked with the admin and he said to me same like that. Here you can see e-gold grew to several million users before the US government shut it down in 2008. And basically the TBC main agreement, and you can say the main theme is same like that, that 4 carat gold is equal to 1 TBC coin. So it means whenever the gold market is going to raise or gold market is going to down, for example it is going uptrend, then definitely the TBC price, the whole price of TBC will grow up. Whenever the gold price will go down, the TBC price will go down. It is not like this that it is only a digital currency or digital money. No. It is basically stabilized on the gold prices. At this time, as I am telling you, as at the time of the making of this video, basically the 4 carats is equal to 1 TBC. And for example, whenever the oil and the gold prices will increase in the forex, then definitely the price of TBC will increase. At this time, around you can say, I'm not saying the 100% TBC, but 40% supply is basically enhanced on the gold, and right now they are trying their level best to enhance up around 30% main TBC on basically the oil prices. It means whenever the oil prices will shoot up, the 30% of the TBC will basically grow up. Whenever the oil prices will go down, then the price of TBC will go down. So it is basically like this. The TBC is not like this that it has nothing okay behind it. Basically it has at this time it has at least the gold, but very soon you can see it that it will also basically concord at that time the oil market also. Whenever the oil market is basically behind on the TBC, then definitely you can see the price of 1 TBC will raise. Okay, here you can see each and everything. Right now basically what I am going to feature with you very soon, hardly you can say in 4 to 5 days or 6 days, I am going to feature the main public sale of TBC coin. So stay tuned with us till that one time, because seriously, if you are going to grab this token at this time, you are going to be the millionaire very soon. Seriously, you are going to be the millionaire if you are going to buy this token at this time. So definitely I will share with you the whole process of the public quick sale, but at this time my main theme is this, that I just want to tell all the users that the 1 TBC coin is equal to 4 karat gold. At this time 40% of supply is basically enhanced on the gold price, and right now they are trying their level best for the 30% supply for the backing of the oil. Then definitely whenever, for example, the gold prices are going down, the oil prices are going up, then you can see the TBC will basically up. For example, the oil prices is going down but the gold prices is going up, then definitely the TBC, the coin price will definitely go up. So they are not basically choosing the main net of any type of, you can say, the main the commodity, but they are trying their level best to maintain number of commodities on the behind of the TBC coin. So it is basically the main theme of the TBC coin, which I want to tell my all viewers that this is the main theme. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button, and if you want to know something more, kindly do comment me on the comment section, and I will try my level best to answer each and every question of yours.